Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we've listed the top 6 best cameras for indoor vlogging in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. Let's get started. Let's begin with the DJI Pocket 2. Are you a solo vlogger who's struggling to find the best camera for vlogging? Then look nowhere else than this DJI Pocket 2. It's better than anything else on the market. In simple terms, it's actually a gimbal-stabilized camera set on top of a hand-holdable stick thing. By design, it comes in a pocket-sized, highly portable camera that lets you single-handedly record memorable moments. And moving on to its camera, it sports a 1 by 1.7 inch smartphone-grade sensor and 20mm f1.8 lens. While for recording, it can record 4K 60 frames per second video at 100 megabytes per second and HDR video as well. It utilizes 8x zoom for stills, 4x zoom for 1080p video and audio, 3x zoom for 2K video, and 2x zoom for 4K video. And including a high-definition panorama means it will also let you get the whole mountain range with 180-degree panorama or everyone in a group selfie with a 3x3 panorama. Its single-handed capture is added to begin shooting in 1 second to capture photos and videos at the speed of life. And featuring 4 microphones will allow you to capture enhanced stereo audio, noise reduction, and a zoom function that follows your camera's zoom to capture enhanced audio in a tighter shot. For battery, it comes with an 875 mAh non-removable battery, which can last about 140 minutes. And for storage, it takes a microSD card, and 4 minutes of 4K footage clocks in at around 2.5 gigabytes. GoPro Hero 10 Black. This GoPro Hero 10 Black is the latest action camera from the brand, as well as the most powerful and polished version yet. It hasn't brought a drastic change compared to its predecessor. It features the same 23 megapixel 1 by 2.3 inch sensor as its predecessor and is waterproof down to 10 meters. And one thing that distinguishes it from Hero 9 is its new GP2 sensor that unlocks some shooting modes like 5.3K 60p, 4K 120p, and 2.7K 240p options. For screen, you will get a 1.4-inch front LCD for vloggers, which is a little smoother thanks to its higher frame rates enabled by its GP2 processor. And another added benefit is its HyperSmooth 4.0, which brings the stabilization's powerful high mode to the Hero 10 Black's most demanding modes. While it's included, Time Warp 3.0 will let you create a stabilized time-lapse film and powerful tools like hindsight, scheduled capture, live burst, and duration capture. Along with 2x performance improvement and HyperSmooth 4.0, its latest chip has also brought a fast overall experience, 3D noise reduction for low light, and faster wired and wireless transfer speeds. And for battery, it has housed the same battery as the Hero 9 Black, which at 1720 mAh is larger than the batteries in all previous GoPros. Mevo Start. The Mevo Start is a little live streaming camera with its battery that can live stream directly to Mixcloud Live, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and most other platforms without the need for a computer. It can stream up to 1080p 30 resolution video and simultaneously record what you're streaming to a microSD card, which will let you have a copy of your live stream. And for control, you can control the camera via companion iOS or Android Mevo app, which offers intuitive, simple-to-use tools for live production. It is highly compact and portable, and as mentioned, it runs on a built-in battery for up to 6 hours, allowing you to stream extended sessions, while utilizing an optional, dedicated Mevo Start Ethernet adapter can be incorporated for continuous power. Featuring 3 built-in digital mics and Fraunhofer up-here spatial microphone processing means it can automatically optimize and sync sounds for better audio. And with its added optional USB audio interface, it can also connect to the USB Type-C charging port of the camera for external audio capture. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is designed specifically for vloggers with features like a side-opening swiveling touchscreen LCD screen, soft skin effect mode, product showcase setting, and directional mic, making it easier to shoot great video. By design, it has a sleek and lightweight design characterized by a large right-hand grip that is ideal for one-handed recording in conjunction with a front tally lamp, a larger record button on the top plate, and a multi-interface shoe for attaching accessories. And with the inclusion of Zeiss T anti-reflective coating, it helps suppress the reflections and glare for improved contrast and color fidelity. Moving on to its camera, it comes with an on-sensor phase detection AF system that can dramatically improve autofocus speed for both stills and video. And utilizing a hybrid system with 315 phase detection points can cover approximately 65% of the frame, along with a 425 area contrast detection system to provide fast, accurate focusing in a range of situations. Its 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor delivers an outstanding image quality from ISO 100 to 12,800 with high-speed performance. And its other additions like a sensor that stacks the pixel area, a high-speed signal processing circuit, and memory to increase data throughout provide features like single burst shooting and anti-distortion shutter, UHD 4K video, and more. DJI Osmo Action. The Osmo Action is a portable, well-built camera designed for action video. It can capture up to 12 megapixels RAW and JPEG photos, record up to 4K 60p or 1080p 240h 264 MOV or MP4 video at up to 100 megabytes per second. And sporting a powerful 1 by 2.3 CMOS sensor and a wide f2.8 lens means it can also record professional high-resolution video wherever the action is. Along with these features, it also supports slow motion, hyperlapse, and time-lapse modes. And despite its pocket size, it manages to fit 2 displays on its tiny frame. Like its back 2.25-inch display features a crisp 640 by 360 resolution that covers the entire back of the unit, while its front 1.4-inch 320 by 320 square display will allow you to preview your image while you're in action or taking selfies. Both these displays feature touchscreen control, and when it comes to controlling, this Osmo Action can be controlled via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi from an iOS or Android smartphone, using its companion DJI Mevo app. Like other action cameras we've discussed, this Osmo Action is also waterproof up to 36 feet deep, and for the battery, it can be powered by a removable LiPo battery. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. Finally, we have the PowerShot G7X Mark III. This is a good pocket camera with a big 1-inch sensor, a bright zoom lens, and a 4K video. Its stacked sensor design coupled with the DJI 8 processor affords rapid focusing speeds up to 20 FPS continuous shooting and UHD 4K 30p and full HD 120p video recording. And featuring a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor and a DJI 8 image processor means it can offer you a notable imaging performance characterized by high speed and low noise. Moving on to its screen, it houses a rear 3-inch 1.04 M.dot touchscreen for live view monitoring, reviewing imagery, and navigating the menu. While with its intuitive touch design, you can work with both touch and drag AF for easy focus point selection. For zoom, its versatile 4.2x optical zoom lens covers a wide-angle to short telephoto 24 to 100 millimeter equivalent focal length range. Along with this, it also features an f1.8 to 2.8 maximum aperture and image stabilization to benefit handheld shooting in difficult lighting conditions. And in-camera battery charging from a power bank, outlet, or computer is also possible via the USB port.